All right.
I'm building me a rocket ship to go where warmers don't give no lip. I'm a blasting off, baby, I'm Venus bound.
Everyone's talking about
I
rocket
blow my
ships and moon
paycheck like the
rides.
warmers here. I'm
Let's go to
burning
Venus,
sawdust
dude. Fuck the moon.
atmosphere.
Unknown
I'm
Hinson
all in
has
action,
been preaching
baby, I'm
crypto,
Venus bound.
but before he even knew it.
I'm slowly
Right,
taking
and
control of
okay,
this
let's
old
do some real
world, yo.
shit.
I'm gonna scratch
This is
my
Moyle
face
Mining.
on the pavement.
What is it? Educational, maybe, per entertaining, maybe, perhaps, but financial advice. It is not. Don't ever make a decision based on what you see here, but you know, some dude that likes to read the news. Let's take a look, man. Everything's green. That little box website's broken again, man. They really fucking always failing on us. But look at that. Bitcoin's above 61. Nice. 61.1. All right. Ethereum 1.9. Binance 273 Tether in fourth place. You got Cardano at $1.09 in fifth. Polkadot in sixth for 37.71. XRP in seventh, 45 cents. Uniswap 32.83. Litecoin 224, and Chainlink at 29.54. All right. IBM Venus bound. Oh man, I love that song. Um, what are we doing here? Looking at Bitcoin. All right. 13 hours ago was the last time we chatted. It's gone up about 2.3%. We had a little bit of a spike here, but as you can see, we kind of just like hung around the 6,000 marker and went ahead and popped right through that. Now we're having some more sideways motion. The support was actually thinning out. We traded right through a little bit of it right there. If you look, when we did our show earlier, we had some really indecisive price action over there. Or not price action, I'm sorry, like conversion line baseline. And they never really got all that decisive. And they still aren't. We've even had a couple of like death cross gold crosses. And where are we at now? It just gold crossed a second ago, but I mean, yeah, they're not that far apart. The lagging indicator's right behind everything, so it's still a pretty um, wishy-washy signal, like it was this morning. And we're almost trading inside the cloud, which is usually a pretty wishy-washy sign, also. EMAs are not as good as they were this morning, but not looking awful. If we get a little bit more upward momentum, we'll see that big EMA, that first one. We'll see that one get pushed out, but you know, with upward price momentums, and it comes some selling pressure. So I wouldn't necessarily bet on that if it was me. So um, I would just say sideways. I think those are both pretty unclear indicators, and just given the way Bitcoin's been going, I'd say sideways. But yeah, don't. Public beta IOTA FireFly launch next week. Update on Chiralysis. I'll be honest, this is a pretty complicated coin. I don't know much about. I need to dig more into it because it keeps coming up a lot. Um, but from what I can gather, it's sort of like an XRP competitor. Looks like it wants to be like a fintech currency settling type of coin, and I think that's the kind of thing it's focusing on here. But yeah, they've been pushing their tech um, pretty hard lately, so, with a lot of positive announcements. So it's time to do a deep dive on that coin soon. And then just like a sign that crypto is kind of going mainstream at this time in history. The crypto exchange FTX is in talks with the county, to whatever county in Florida, to name the stadium for the Miami Heat. So yeah, that's like the big times, eh? Like they had a race car with crypto.com, and if they want to name a whole stadium, I mean, yeah, crypto's made it. It's just exactly what Satoshi wanted. All right. Good evening. Talk to you in the morning.